Hi, good morning, yeah. Today we are making what? Ragi, onion, like rabba dosa type. Very crispy and easy one. Come on, I'm going to make the rabba dosa, but I'm not adding the rabba. That's it, yeah. Very quick and healthy dosa. This is everybody can eat. Okay, come on. Already I taken this is the ragi atta homemade means I'll give to the mixie, like that. Then you can add all the ingredients. See, onion, this is the green chilies, this is the pepper, this is the red chilies, and this little bit you have to mix with this 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoons of the rice flour. Okay, now I'm adding the jeera again. According to your taste is the salt. Okay, yes. Now you're adding all the ingredients, pepper, all you have to add it in this. Okay, that's it. According to your taste, yeah, this you wanted more, you can onion and green chilies also, but I'm adding everything. Curry leaves also there, I added the curry leaves. That only one tip, yeah, curry leaves is main ingredients for this one. Just mix it like this, and water. Actually in this you want to add more water. Okay, that is only tip. I'm mixing very small bowl because only 2 3, maybe this will come 4 5, I think so. See the consistency, nicely you have to mix it properly. The watery, sometimes it will come very nicely, yeah. Sometimes some relations or some friends will come, no, that time it will chup only, it won't come, no crispy, nothing. I want to add more water, I feel. Yeah, that's it, yeah. See the consistency like water, come on, we'll make now. See, yeah, my restaurant tawa, I don't know how it's going to come actually, but anyhow I'm trying. Okay, it will come like this only. You have to add it because no shapeless only rabba dosa means. Okay, that you people can remember that. India map, Sri Lanka map, which map I don't know this one. Little oil, but you can use the ghee also, yeah, butter or ghee, very nice, but today I'm using only oil. Let me see how it will come. My shape of the dosa, let me see. So again you have to high flame nicely. Then the gas is not this, yeah, we have to be, restaurant style means the gas should be very high flame. That is very important actually. It's okay, we'll try. Eh, Slowly you have to be like this, because something is good, no, yeah, that no rubber, I'm not using the rubber, but I told you very clearly this is the ragi. Okay, I love actually rabba dosa. I have to turn like this only, because of the heat of the flame, that is very, very important. So, one thing I want to tell you, I don't know outside nowadays what and all they're mixing, that I don't know. At home means we can see now. In Telugu, we'll say, Aisara Bajja. Come on. 1, 2, 3. See the holes and all, yeah. Nice only, yeah. Okay. Now again, you can add the little bit of the oil. Okay. Yeah. We'll eat now with the chutney, onion chutney. Otherwise, coconut chutney also very tasty. Every time, whenever I'm making, yeah, I don't have much time to make it with the chutneys also, because natural way only I want to show all of you. Everything keeping ready and all. It's not possible for me. But anyhow, you can enjoy every moment in your life. That's it. Okay. Let me see how it's going to be. This one. See ya. See the holes, rabba dosa like this only, with the onion and everything. I told you the main tip is the curry leaves. The taste and aroma will be very nice. Okay. I'm saying, where is my coconut chutney? Where is my coconut chutney? It's not there only. Again, it will take time to make that one to show you people. Already I shown, I put it in the Instagram also. Okay. Now you can see there and enjoy. This tawa is restaurant style tawa. Actually, I want to show this one only. I bought it new. I'm making the dosa is coming very nicely in this. You people can also try this one, iron tawa. It's very, very nice. And I finished now only seasoning actually. After that, you can do. Okay. Yeah. See ya. Come on. See, ragi, rava, not rava, actually onion dosa. That's it, yeah. Come on, this one also enjoy nicely. Simple, dimple, and healthy one. Finish. That's it. Now I'm going to taste like this only. If you are eating like this also, very tasty, not necessary to add any chutneys. But I didn't even make the chutney, okay? But with the coconut chutney is very nice, onion chutney also, okay? But anyhow, I'm going to eat like this only. Yeah. What to do? I told you I always do natural only. See the crunchiness, very tasty, very nice. Healthy dosa, you people can try and let me know. Enjoy.